Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54027 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#escort. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the queries. And here you can see that I have already created a table called marks. Okay, I already created a table called marks and inserted some values to the table. So it contains 4 columns: max, physics, total and average. Okay, so here total and average are the virtual columns. Okay, so here total and average are the virtual columns or column with expressions. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to modify. So I am going to modify marks table. So alter table marks, modify average. So I am going to modify the average columns data type. So average columns data type is number. Okay. So now I am going to. So you can see that table is altered successfully. Okay. So number is a valid data type. Okay. This number is a valid data type. So it's accept the modification. Okay, now let me try to modify with some other data type. Okay, so I am modifying average column with varchar2 data type. Yes, you can see that ORA-54027 cannot modify data type of virtual column. So previously I tried to modify the number column with the different size which is acceptable. Now I change the data type entirely different one, which throws the error ORA-54027 cannot modify data type of virtual column. Okay, so only acceptable modification, that is acceptable data types are allowed here. Okay, see here.